Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2026 Can-Am Defender Max. Front and rear seats that we're doing inside here. Mossy oak shadowgrass blades for the insert, Java Croc for the trim, loaded up with pockets for guns and gear, and custom logos for the headrest. Let's do this. So let's check out these fabrics inside here, guys. This is a really cool combination. Mossy oak, shadowgrass blades for the insert, so you get these lighter tan tones, and then we have Java Croc. The outside section is in that Java Croc. It's the darker browns, so the darker browns with those lighter tans really complements each other really nice and just pops. I really like this combination. A lot of the times we've done camo on the outside, but this is where we've switched that, and now we have camo as the middle section as the accent, and really is cool. So this is our product line called Alligator Camo. So you got the alligator on the outside, camo in the middle, just is really cool. Now on the outside trim, let's check this out. This is that bolster out here. We have 1, 2, 3 panels that make up this bolster. On this 2026 Can-Am Defender, Can-Am decided to redo the backrest for more comfort. So you can see it's, instead of a curved, the older style of bolster was a lot more curved. Now this one is a little bit more straight, so you just sit into it a little bit more for that rough riding, and so it's a more comfortable seat. And so the seat cover pattern was redesigned for that. So you can see this is a new design here compared to the older ones. We still have those older patterns of seat covers for those older model Can-Am Defenders, but this is that new pattern, how that looks. So there's one big strip of fabric coming down here, not as many curves in it as the older pattern on those older Defenders, but just conforms so nice around there. This is how a true custom fit seat cover for your year, make, model vehicle should fit. Nice and tight like this, not shifting around, gonna stay in place and look good. So here's the driver bottom cover. Now you can see this is the blades for the insert, blades camo right there. Here's that Java Croc on the trim. Again, multiple panels, so multiple panel seat covers really fit on way better, especially when there's lots of bolsters to your seat like this Can-Am Defender has. So it just conforms around, it looks really nice right there, and it just pops. Again, I love how this pops out, those lighter tans in that blades camo, just pops against that dark brown alligator print right there, love it. So here's the driver's side MOLLE pocket. We actually have 4 MOLLE gun pockets on this vehicle, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. So you can add on additional gear here, guys. So here's a pistol holster attached onto that MOLLE webbing. How the seat cover would come with the MOLLE pocket is with this MOLLE webbing, and then this would be an additional purchase is a pistol holster like this, but that's just an option for you. You connect it on there. You could put a cell phone carrier on there. You could put a water bottle carrier, whatever else you want to add on there, or clip your flashlight or your knife on there. It's just nice to have this extra pocket and attachment options for you to store extra gear. So you can store that on the outside MOLLE webbing, but then you can also open the pocket up for storage on the inside. So you really increasing the storage capacity inside this vehicle. Drop your pistol on the inside right there. So, and that would be a complete concealed area to store your gear. You drop your pistol on the inside right there, or your other gear there, and that just hangs vertically down from the seat. And again, really increasing storage capacity inside this Defender. So this Can-Am Defender is a 3-seater. This is the middle seat right here. There's a backrest and a bottom, so there's gonna be separate seat covers for that. Here's the backrest. I'm gonna fold that down so you can see that you still have access to your cup holders, your little storage area right here, and then the cover covers that upholstery, so on the sides, the front, and that front side right here. And in this particular case, it was the Java Croc was the trim. Turned out really nice. Love how that looked. Now, if you want to choose different fabrics, different colors, guys, we have a whole lot of different colors that you can choose from. So visit our website, contact our reps to look at all the different fabrics that are available. Now, one little note about this console that's kind of cool is some guys that have gotten our covers before, they've sent us photos back where they've actually flipped this console around. So you can actually take these pins out right here, and then you could flip this whole console upside down, and then it makes kind of a cool covered armrest right there. And it's a softer armrest as you're driving compared to this is not really soft. And so then you have an armrest as you're driving. So one consideration for you, if you want to flip that around, that's something you could do. You just flip upside down. You just have to remove these pins right back here and then put them back in, and you're good to go with an armrest back there. Let's check out this 20 section bottom now. So you can see here's the cover in the Java Croc, whatever trim choice you choose. So this was the trim on the outside of the seat. That flows into your middle seat section. So the trim is in the Java Croc, looking really nice, fully covered. We're gonna flip that seat up because it does flip up right here. And now you can see some of how this installs. So there's straps right here that go to these buckles, cinch down nice and tight. I have a full install video showing you how to install all of this, so don't worry about that. You can just watch our detailed install video. There is a draw cord that goes around the back side. In my install video, I teach you how to tie that up nice and tight, but you can see how nice and flush and clean this looks when these seats are down. It just looks great. Everything covered. It's gonna be great for the dogs in and out of here, easy to wipe up. This is a very durable material and just holds up great for our customers. We have thousands of customers now that have had this particular fabric, and it just works really great for them. Now let's check out the passenger side. So matching passenger and driver sides, of course, is how you want to do it. Here's the passenger side, fits great, again, just like the driver over there. Now, something unique about Can-Am Defenders is the passenger backrest as well as the rear seats. If you have the Max, they do remove. So I'm gonna pull that off just so you can see the fitment and how this installs on the back side right here. So here's these straps and buckles coming down right there. You can see this is the cover comes around right about there. Here's these straps, again, just durable straps, durable buckles to get this on. Full install video teaching you how to install all of this, and just fully covered. All that upholstery is covered, looking really good right there. We're gonna clip this back in. How it clips in is there's these little hooks right here, hooks onto this bar right here, and then there's these little pins that these pins are gonna push into these holes right here. So let's just get that clipped back in here like that, and then just pops back in like that. Okay, guys, so that's helpful to take that off during the install if you want. You don't have to, but unique about the Defenders on how those can pull off there. It looks really good. Here's the passenger seat. It's the front passenger seat. Now this is a seat that does flip up. So we do have our MOLLE gun pocket on there, which is great for extra storage. It does flip up, and it does still work with all your storage boxes down here. So you can, pull your storage boxes out if you need to, access those, get into that still. There's these straps, so you can see here's the straps and buckles underneath the passenger seat. Same straps and buckles that go under the driver, just the driver's seat on the Defenders doesn't lift up like this one. And then the rear bottoms, they lift up as well. So makes it a little bit easier to install the passenger bottom, but it's really not a complicated install, guys. There's straps and buckles go right there, lock it down. There's a draw cord around the outside at the bottom. Everything looks great on here, and just full coverage there, so you can see how that all turned out, and just pops in here. Love this new cover. All right, so now we're on the rear seats of this Max, and you can see this is the driver rear backrest. Looks great. I am matching up with the Mossy oak shadowgrass blades for the insert, Java Croc for the trim. Really cool combination back here, and really I always recommend, if you're doing your vehicle, get the front and rear seats matched up. Everything looks so much better inside the vehicle when the rear and the front seats are all matched. Now the front seats are identical to the rear seats, but I just wanted to show you on the rear seats here, all looking great. Java Croc for the trim, blades for the insert, and full install video showing you how to install all of this. Everything's going to fold and function just how it should on these seats. Now this customer wanted to have extra pockets for gear. Here's also 2 MOLLE pockets, so on the driver and passenger side, so they can clip on additional gear to the outside, store additional gear on the inside. The MOLLE pockets front and rear on this vehicle. So just like I mentioned earlier, everything is still going to function just how it should before the seat covers were on there. Here's this middle 20 section backrest, folds down for the cup holders and storage right there. Everything still works great there, but now covered with a really cool cover on top of it. So Can-Am Defender Maxes have rear headrests. They don't have front headrests. You can actually order a special add-on if you want to have a bar with headrests, but normally they just have rear headrests. If you just have the one row, you're also going to have headrests. So we offer the headrest cover as well as part of the UTV seat cover kit. So the seat cover, the headrest cover just pulls on top, nice and tight around it. There's an elastic around the outside that holds it on. Also, two pieces of Velcro on the backside that help pull it together. Now on this particular build, what we did is we're showing you that you can do a custom logo. Well, here's how to get your custom logo on your seat covers. You'll order your seat covers with the Velcro patch sewn on, letting us know that you want a custom logo. So you'll choose that option when you're ordering your seat covers. Send us your logo. Hey, maybe it's a photo. We can work off of photos. So here's like a photo of a dog if you want that. Or maybe you want your ranch brand. That would be really cool to have on your seat covers, right? Inside your vehicle, your brand could go right there, have your brand put on. Or, you know, maybe you want something different. Maybe it's your company logo or foundation logo right there. That would be really cool. And, you know, there's lots of different options there. Maybe it's the USA red, white, and blue flag, or maybe even your state flag. So cool options of what you could have inside here, and you can swap that out. That's the other cool thing is, you know, if you want to change it up month to month or after a season, you can change things up there. Just send us your photo. We can work off it. We have an in-house graphic designer that can make all the edits for you, whatever you want to do. And then you get these custom logos put onto your seat covers and really personalizes the seat covers with your logo on it. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs, with really the focus on those trucks and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to check out coversandcamo.com. Again, Neil here, and we look forward to serving you soon. Thanks.